In this video, we will review Banktivity. Banktivity is a long-standing personal finance app designed exclusively for Apple users and remains a solid option in 2025 for individuals looking to track their finances, investments and budgets all in one place. The latest version of Banktivity 9.5 enhances an already strong Mac ecosystem integration with improved iOS support and more responsive user interface, and even a smarter reporting tool. It's designed for those who want a comprehensive, hands-on approach to managing money. Banktivity allows users to link all their accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, loans and investment into one centralized dashboard. You can create custom budgets, monitor your net worth, and generate detailed income and expense reports across multiple different time periods. The investment tracking is especially useful for users with diverse portfolios, including stocks, mutual funds and even cryptocurrency. One of its standout features of Banktivity is the emphasis on deep data ownership and control. Unlike some web-based apps, Banktivity stores your data locally, which gives users added peace of mind around their privacy. The app offers tiered subscriptions such as Bronze, Silver and Gold, Bronze starting at $7 per month, with features such as direct access, multi-currency support and crypto tracking unlocked at higher tiers. However, with the shift from one-time purchases to a subscription-only model has disappointed many long-time users. While the cost is still comparable to other premium finance tools, it's something budget-conscious users may want to consider. On the usability side, Banktivity maintains a clean, Apple-like interface and a learning curve that is relatively low and great for many beginners with basic functionalities. That said, some users have reported issues with bank syncing, especially for non-US citizens, and occasional hiccups on iCloud syncing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.